Good morning.
People are that I don't know what their names are. We have somebody who called in on an iPhone. Can I ask your name, please? Yep, you.
Can you hear me?
Yes. What is your
Michael
name?
LaRue. Michael LaRue.
All right. Hold on a second. There you are. Mr. Raines, could I ask who you're appearing on behalf of today?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Gonzalez.
Okay, just a moment. Mr. Vasquez and Ms. Pelham, I do not have paperwork on LaRue.
Looks like he was
LaRue?
dismissed, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. LaRue, in the matter
Yes.
of Michael LaRue versus Carrie LaRue, file number 2017-44246 DM. Sir, it appears that's been dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, Mr. Raines, Gonzalez.
Your Honor, I adjourned him to July 17th, pending support review.
All right, and the matter of, I'm gonna bring Sierra in and let her know.
Your Honor, I've had a conversation with the
Hold
other.
on, I gotta call the case first. Hold on one second. I just let her in. She was in my waiting room. Let me get her in and connected to audio. All right, Ms. Ralph, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, this is in the matter of Sierra Ralph versus Jonathan Gonzalez, file number 2020-47405 DP. I have Lowry Raines appearing on behalf of Jonathan Gonzalez. Ms. Ralph is present via Zoom. Is your client with you, Mr. Raines?
Your Honor, he is not. He had, I'd spoken with him this morning. Is my understanding he was zooming in.
Okay. Well, I don't see a Jonathan. I have a Chino. Let's see what Chino is. All right, I have somebody who's logged in on a device that says Chino. What is your full name, please?
Jonathan Gonzalez.
Okay. All right, Mr. Vasquez, you said that this matter is adjourned to July 17th. And then Mr. Raines, you were going to say something else.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. I have spoken with Ms. Saroof this morning, as well as my client. I'm optimistic a resolution could be reached soon. Would it be possible, Your Honor, for you to place us into a breakout room briefly this morning?
Sure.
Thank
All
you.
right. All three of you?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so Ms. Ralph, do you object to going in a breakout room?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put the three of you in a breakout room. When you're done, you can leave the breakout room. If you accidentally disconnect, just call in again, all right?
Your Honor, considering that it's been adjourned, do you want us to just leave the meeting? Or if we have a resolution?
Unless you're putting an agreement on the record.
Okay, if we're able to resolve something, we'll come back on the record. Thank you.
Okay, good. All right. What is your name, sir?
Scott Gout, G-O-U-T.
Right. Right. Mr. Gout, if you want, come up to the podium. Get you on your way. Okay, this is in the matter of Janice Lynn Gout versus Scott Michael Gout, file number 2014-41139 Mr. Gout, you did have ProMedica send a note to the friend of court services
Yes,
that says that at this time, it is recommended that you remain out of work.
yes, ma'am.
There's no date as the symptoms you're experiencing may never go away. And currently he is not in a place where he can work, and you've had some of your functions impacted due to the surgery that you had. So, Mr. Gout, at this time, Mr. Vasquez, obviously, that's usually all we need is a letter from a doctor. Would you advise that he have a referee hearing, or what would you advise, or go for disability? Are you applying for disability?
Is this on? Oh, you can hear me. I'm sorry. Can I give you a real brief, like a minute or so, like what my case has been?
Well, I don't really want to put too much medical information on because we're live on YouTube. I just asked you a question. Are you applying for disability?
Yes, I have done that. I had no income for the past year.
Okay, so Mr. Vasquez, so you filed for disability?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so Mr. Vasquez, in light of that, obviously, if there's disability and a payout that would take care of any arrearage, what would you like? I'm going to probably dismiss this. What information do you want? His current address, or keep the front of the court obviously updated as to what's going on with disability?
Yeah, I believe all of his information's updated. I was gonna leave it up to the court's discretion, how you want to proceed with this. I mean, obviously, if he's not able to work, he's not gonna be able to pay, so I don't know if he has the option of filing for, either a support review or referee hearing to have this looked at, but given the situation, obviously, that's really the only way we can move forward right now.
All right, so Mr. Gout, two things. One, if you're pursuing disability, it's not uncommon to receive a denial the first time, and then you go through an attorney. If you're not going through an attorney, the disability attorneys, you don't have to pay for them. They get a percentage of what you receive, so there's no money up front. I would advise you to have an attorney handle it. There are really good local attorneys that do it, as well as others. Keep the front of the court updated as to what's happening with that. And then you probably should petition for a referee hearing for a review because of your letter that we received from ProMedica. All right.
Okay, yes, I would like to put that in the record at this time to petition for a.
You have to go down, you have to go across the hall and file the paperwork.
And that would be at that point, we would talk about like my medical issues possibly, or my financial condition.
I don't think we need to, because I'm not pursuing this.
Oh, okay.
But do you understand? You have a current front of the court order. So
Yes.
to get that
Yes,
changed, you have to file a petition for a referee hearing.
Right.
I can't do anything about it today.
Right, I understand that. I would be homeless right now except for my mother, so I'm grateful for that. I will petition for a hearing.
Okay, and then, as I said, you probably need to look for an attorney to represent you on the disability case, because it goes much smoother. Ms. Gout. If he receives disability, you would receive the kids would receive a monthly payment, as well as the arrearage would get paid. All right?
Okay, yep, I understand.
Okay, you're all set. So if you want to I would advise you do the referee hearing, go down to clerk's office, you probably can get a waiver of filing fees.
Okay,
So,
thank
all right.
you.
Thank you, Ms. Gout.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I'll dismiss the show cause.
Yep, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. In the matter of Rachel Schmitz versus Jared Gordon, file number 2007-31469 DS. Anybody in the courtroom? No. That matter has been adjourned to July 17th at 8 a.m. In the matter of Raquel Tyndall versus Isaiah Kupshaw, are they here? No. File number 2007-32109 DP, that matter has been adjourned to July 17th. In the matter of Kayla Forrest versus Travis Benels, anybody here? File number 2014-40578, that matter's been dismissed. In the matter of Terry Barnhart versus Jody Culver's, anybody here? File number 2016-43454 DC. That matter has been adjourned to July 17th at 8 a.m. The matter of Lisa Tarver versus Joseph Spresser. Anybody in the courtroom? No. And I don't have anybody in my waiting room. File number 2007-32101 DS. This, or we have 2007-32101 DS, and we have 2022-49425. All right, on file number 2007-32101 DS, Mr. Spresser is ordered to pay $202 a month in child support as of today's date. He has an arrears in the amount of $3,342.19. Last time we were here, we adjourned it to today's date on the record, so he had notice. He was to request a review hearing, provide his W-2s. He failed to submit, the petition was dismissed. Last payment we received was $35 on April 3rd, 2023. So on this file, I'm going to issue a bench warrant for failure to appear. Set bond in the amount of $3,343 cash. And on file number 2022, is ordered to pay $757 a month. Child support. To do so as of today's date, he has an arrearage in excess of $8,909.24. It's failed to appear, so I'm going to issue a bench warrant. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $3,000. Ms. Underwood, who are you here on?
Moog and Gout.
Mr. Gout is dismissed. I haven't gotten the move yet, but I will take that one next. Maybe. I don't think I have paperwork on move. Mr. Vasquez or Ms. Cullen?
I don't show him on the docket. Give me 1 second.
Okay, I mean, it's here and it was not on my docket either. No.
Oh, okay. Well, then I guess I'm 0 for 2.
That's okay.
Thank you.
Hold on, let's find out because Mr. Moog is here. Mr. Vasquez is looking up. Mr. Moog, hold on 1 minute. Mr. Raines, did the parties have an agreement?
They do, Your Honor. I don't, if we could use your record, I can state the terms of that agreement if you want to call the case.
Yeah. Give me 1 second and I'll call it again.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Vasquez, whenever you're ready, I'm moved.
I don't show anything in our system adjourning it out to today, so I'm not sure what the caseworker did on this. We can, if you want to adjourn this to July sometime, that'll be fine.
I don't even have the file or any information on it, other than the parties are here. The caseworker is going to adjourn it. Mr. Moog, I don't have you on my docket for today. Did you receive a notice in the mail?
No.
Okay, so I'm not quite sure. I don't have you today, but if it was supposed to be adjourned and they didn't do it, it'll probably get adjourned to another day. So just keep an eye out in the mail. All right.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Moog.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so Mr. Raines, find the paperwork. Mr. Raines, what case was that, Gonzalez?
That's Gonzalez. It's the case of Saruf versus Gonzalez.
Okay, so we're back on the record in the matter of Sierra Sprout versus Jonathan Gonzalez, file number 2020-47405 DP. So I have Lowry Raines appearing on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Raines, you had asked for a breakout room to meet with your client and the opposing party. It's my understanding the parties have an agreement you'd like to place on the record.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you for allowing us the opportunity to discuss this matter in a breakout room. I am pleased to indicate the parties have reached an agreement. There is a significant arrearage that Mr. Gonzalez has. However, the parties are in agreement that that arrearage would be forgiven in the amount of $7,470. Mr. Gonzalez presently has a parenting time schedule with the one minor child that is approximating 1/2 of the time with the mother. The parties, because of that, are agreeable also to commencing June 1, 2023, a monthly child support obligation for Mr. Gonzalez in the amount of $50. So Judge, that's the terms of the agreement. And if I could, or if Your Honor wishes to, voir dire the parties, I would just seek confirmation on the record of that agreement.
Okay, was any of that owed to the state of Michigan, Mr. Raines?
You know, I'd have to defer to Mr. Vasquez if he has that available, information available to him. I do not know that.
Mr.
Your Honor,
Vasquez?
I would assume a portion of that is owed to the state. I can put in there that, you know, whatever's owed to mom can be forgiven, but anything owed to the state's going to remain due and payable.
I would agree.
So Mr. Raines, will you be drafting the order on this?
Yes, I can do that, Your Honor, and I'll send that to the parties to secure their signatures.
All right, very good. So Mr. Gonzalez, I'm going to need to see your face, and then Ms. Sprout, there you go. Can you both raise your right hand so I can see it on the screen? Good. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, I do.
And Ms. Strout?
Yes, I do.
Pronounce your last name for me, Miss
Schroff.
Strout. Okay, very good. Mr. Raines, you may proceed.
Thank you. Ms. Schroff, you've been sworn under oath. Did you hear the terms of the settlement agreement that I placed on the record?
I did.
And you're agreeable to forgiving the amount of $7,470 in the child support arrears that's owed by Mr. Gonzalez. Is that correct?
Yes.
And we came to that by way of multiplying what we believe his child support obligation has been over a period of approximately 18 months. Is that right?
Yep.
All right. You understand what the court and Mr. Vasquez have indicated is that we cannot forgive whatever arrearage Jonathan may owe to the state of Michigan, but the arrearage in that amount that would be owed to you would be forgiven. Is that right?
Yep.
You further understand you could go to the front of the court to recalculate child support and ultimately be before this judge to determine child support, but you've agreed to receive the amount of $50 per month from Mr. Gonzalez, commencing with the first day of this month. Is that right?
Yep.
And you believe that that would be an adequate amount to be able to take care of the needs and interests of your son, especially considering the near shared parenting time arrangement you have with Jonathan. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, thank you. I have no other questions.
All right, do you wish to inquire, Mr. Gonzalez?
I will briefly. Thank you. Mr. Gonzalez, you also heard the terms of the settlement agreement we placed on the record, correct?
Yes.
You understand that we could proceed to have a hearing in this matter on the issue of child support, and it could be an amount that would be determined that would be higher, possibly lower, about the same. You understand that?
Yes.
You're agreeable to paying the amount of $50 a month commencing June 1st of this year to Sierra?
Yes.
And you understand what has been said by the court and the friend of the court about the child support arrearage that would be owed to Michigan? You understand that?
Yes. Yep.
All right, that can't be forgiven. And whatever that amount is, that's still something that you will owe through the court. You understand that?
Yes. You guys got that on hand or no?
No, I don't believe we have that information available at the moment.
Oh, okay.
But Sierra is willing to forgive that amount, and that's agreeable to you, correct?
Yes.
All right, thank you. I have nothing further. Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Vasquez, were you able to ascertain that amount owed to the state or no? You're muted.
Sorry, I don't have that information in front of me right now.
Okay, all right, very good. So, Mr. Raines, thank you, and you'll draft the order on that.
I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, so I wish you both the best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Right, in the matter of Marisol Silva versus Miguel Rivera, file number 2008-33363 DS. In this case, Ms. Rivera has a monthly charge. Is Ms. Rivera here? No, has a monthly charge of $295 in child support. As of today's date, she has an arrearage in excess of $6,208.37. Last payment we received was $79.16 on April 28th of 2023. Pre-order to show cause was sent in April. There's been no response. Going to issue a bench warrant for her arrest for failure to appear. Accept bond in the amount of $2,500. Tanya Spiel in the courtroom. Mr. Wilson, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Get your paperwork. This is in the matter of Tanya Spiel versus Izell Wilson, file number 2009-34540 DS. See, we're last here in April. See, Mr. Wilson, you're supposed to pay $337 a month. You have an arrearage in excess of $21,000. We were here on April 24, and you were ordered to pay the remainder of the April obligation, an additional $50 per month, as well as your May obligation before today. Of the $774 you were ordered to pay, you paid $200 in April and $300 in May.
Yeah, I have the rest today.
You have it today? Are you paying it online or are you paying it in cash?
In cash.
Okay, so you're gonna come to the front of the court today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Wilson, I'm gonna set this over to July 17th. As long as you make that payment. So we'll be back on July 17th at 8:15 or 8 a.m. I'm sorry. And so the payment you make today will finish up May, but then I'm going to need June and July, all right? Before we come back.
Okay.
All right. So Mr. Wilson, we'll see you back July 17th at 8 a.m. understand if that payment isn't made by 4:30 today, this could be scheduled back sooner, okay?
I understand.
All
Your
right,
Honor, how
thank
much
you,
is that
Mr.
payment today?
The balance that he owes, so. Let's see, 774 minus 200 and, is it 274 yesterday today?
Okay.
All right, thanks, Mr. Wilson.
Appreciate you.
I appreciate you trying to. Thank you. Zachary Dillard. Alexis Regalato. The matter of Alexis Regalato versus Zachary Dillard, file number 2014-40671. This is the date and time set for a show cause. We have previously had a hearing and adjourned it to today to monitor payments. We were notified Mr. Dillard was moving to Arizona. Mr. Dillard has not appeared either via Zoom or in person. He's ordered to pay $274 a month in child support. He has a arrearage in excess of $16,498. Issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. Set bond in the amount of $3,000 cash. Carrie and Carl. No. Just quick note here, in the matter of Carrie Shakora versus Carl Shakora, file number 2014-41180 DM.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Can I turn that out to 8:14? I just received information of employment, so I'm gonna start an income withholding and see where that goes.
All right, so I'll adjourn that to August 14th at 8 a.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there an Amber Collins here? No. The matter of Amber. He's stuck. Are you Darius Collins? Mr. Collins, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, this is in the matter of Amber Renee Collins versus Darius Dwayne Collins, file number 2018-45122DM. Mr. Collins, this is a show cause for failure to pay child support. As of today's date, you have an arrearage in excess of $17,610. And you have a monthly charge of $643. We were last here on December 28th of 22.
Is that the new thing? I just had a review and I didn't know the results of the review yet. Is that the new payment?
My notes say that there was a support review and there was no change in the amount you're ordered to pay.
There's no
So
change.
you haven't received the paperwork on that. Did you receive the order from the court?
No, I haven't got nothing since the
Your-
review.
Your Honor, the review was calculated on Friday, and I spoke with the intake clerk, and she notified me that there was no change.
Okay, So, Mr. Collins, when you get that order in the mail, you have a short period of time to object if you don't agree with it. So make sure you do that if you don't agree with it, okay?
Okay.
All right, so, okay, so are you employed at this time?
No.
Okay, and are you on disability?
No. I don't have nothing coming in.
Okay, how many places have you applied for a job this week?
This week, probably like 10, 12. I got my email can confirm everything.
Okay, and you are living in Adrian, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, Mr. Collins, I would like you to come to front of the court. Mr. Vasquez can print off and leave for you at the front desk a list of employers that are hiring, and there are hundreds and hundreds in Adrian. Mr. Vasquez, would you be able to print that off for him?
I can try to locate something. Miss Drake.
We
used to-
get
What's
a
that?
monthly email, I thought.
Well, Miss Drake used to send those out. We haven't gotten one since she left, so I don't know. I
Okay,
mean, he
Can you
can go
talk-
on it. He can go on Indeed.com and there's jobs everywhere. So
right, could you talk to Mr. McFarland and ask him if he can start emailing that out again?
yes.
All right, so we're gonna try to get that list for you. We'll figure out where it used to come from. I didn't realize that wasn't still being distributed. So, Mr. Collins, if you want to stop at front of the court tomorrow, we can get that list to you.
Okay.
And I'm gonna adjourn this out. Let's see. Miss Adams, do I have any dates in June? Like June 26th?
Looking, I believe so. Yes, June 26th.
All right, so Mr. Collins, I'm going to adjourn this to June 26th at 8 AM. And I'm gonna want you to come in person, and I want you to bring me a list of all the places you've applied. And I would like a payment. So 2 things. 1, you're gonna come on that date in person, and 2, you are going to, if you receive your paperwork from front of the court, if you're gonna object, you need to do that right away. So you would bring that paperwork and fill out the objection at the courthouse too, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll see you back on June 26th at 8 AM, and not today, but tomorrow, if you wanna stop by front of the court, we'll get you a list of employers in Adrian that are hiring, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, I sent you a chat message as well.
Did you? Okay. Okay, but I'm not in district court, so front of the court, Mr. McFarland's gonna have to figure out how to get that list. Okay. Is that it? I think that's it for front of the court. Is that not?
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Vasquez, if you let Mr. McFarland know, district court also has that same list that Christie used to distribute.
Okay.
So, okay, all right,
Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day. Bye-bye.
you too. So who are you?
So we were supposed, Brian Goodyear is in jail. And we're here
Who?
for him. Brian Goodyear, we went into the office down there at the end of the hallway. And they said that he was in this courtroom this morning.
Miss Adams, are you here for Brian Goodyear too? All right, Miss Adams, who's Brian Goodyear? And I didn't see him on our jail list.
I apologize. I just walked back. Did you say Brian Goodyear?
Oh, so I have a bunch of people in the courtroom looking for a case on Brian Goodyear. But I didn't see him on the jail list. I didn't see anything on the jail list for me.
I am showing a bench warrant issued in 2019, but I